This 2-kilometer hike led us to this hidden waterfall, but we found at Canada's Edge will blow your mind.
I'm talking about 360-degree views that completely took our breath away. Ready for your next adventure?
We're Sully
And Vicky.
from Wild Mile Wanderers. We've been married over 25 years, have conquered countless trails, and have endless stories to share.
Join us as we explore van life, hidden trails, and worldwide adventures.
From trails to travels, our endless pursuit starts now. So, at the trailhead for Egypt Falls,
You had to test out the van on the way here.
we did. A little bit of dirt, kind of see back there, and
Yeah.
uphill. Not too off-road,
Yeah.
but it's fun. Quick hike here.
Yeah, less than a mile.
Yeah, down, and then we hike back up. So we're gonna take you along on this hike to go check out this waterfall. We did have some rain yesterday, so we're hoping for,
Crazy Falls?
yeah, for some good falls. The trail's a little damp, but not bad.
Feels like Ireland.
It does. I haven't been there, but I'd imagine, I think we said in Scotland too.
It's kind of green.
It is. I'm gonna go watch where I'm walking. What do you think so far? Not a bad trail.
No, better down here, less rooty.
Yeah. I know we come to a point, so there's a split. There's more straight way. Both ways kind of have ropes. Some have, one side's a little longer, has stairs, we believe, and then the other side is more
It's
dirt.
steep and dirt and roots
Yeah.
with a rope. I don't
Given all
think
the
that'll
rain
be
today, I think we're just gonna take the stair route.
Yeah, I don't think the other one would be very smart today.
Yeah. Yeah, pretty good amount of rain last night.
Unless we want a mudslide.
Yeah, for sure. Of course, the camera is deceptive. All right, I'm gonna go pay attention again.
If epic adventures and hidden gems is your kind of thing, you're going to want to stay tuned for what we have up next.
Hit that subscribe button so you didn't miss any of our Canadian maritime discoveries. Down the stairs.
Yep. I
Maybe.
can hear the waterfall.
Yeah, we think we came down. It looks like a new trail. There's a,
Maybe?
it's like
I
they
don't
got
know.
a veterans program up here, probably clearing stuff, building the stairs because there's a lot of new lumber. So maybe they're putting new stairs all the way back up.
No, and it looks like that's there because private property that way.
Yeah, distinctly marked for private property.
Okay.
All right,
Down we go.
down we go.
Oh dear. Like for little feet.
What's it?
Yeah,
Little
like-
feet.
Yeah.
Yeah. Get a little Stairmaster workout coming back up. No, yeah, I'm gonna have to put this away so I can use my hands for the rope.
Yeah. Oh, excuse me.
Since these look like they're still in progress. Hey,
They've been in progress for a long time because there's stuff growing through them.
yeah. All right. I gotta put this away.
Are you filming me?
Yep. Our fearless photographer.
Yeah. Trying.
Ryan, we need some shots for the vlog. I'm gonna with the mic see if you can hear us. It's really loud. You can just tell the power of the water. Definitely worth the hike down. More importantly, it's worth the hike back out. The down wasn't so bad. Bertha really earned her keep coming up in here. Yeah, she looks like a real van. Yeah, no filming coming back up. It was,
Would you say 35% grade?
yeah, 36% at its max. And then
Yeah.
was over a short time. Would you say, is it like 1,000 feet per mile equivalent?
Yeah, basically. Yeah. So like straight up.
Yeah. Yeah. Little buggy here. Just want to check in. We made it back. We're alive.
Yeah. Next stop. Well,
Yeah.
top her off and then Alexander Graham Bell.
Yep. Go find out his workshop. We're out of here because I'm getting eaten alive. So we just visited the Alexander Graham Bell Canadian National Historical Museum.
Yeah.
little pro tip, if you're here between June 20th and 2 September, all the
Canadian national parks are free.
Even
So-
if you're not from Canada, they even let us in for free.
So that means we have a little extra budget for maybe some food.
Yep. So it's actually really cool. You know, everybody knows him for the telephone, but to see all the other stuff he did, early work with, even his dad did, his grandfather worked with deaf children.
Yeah,
and,
including Helen Keller.
yeah, worked with Helen Keller. And then all the other stuff he did, particularly with flight.
And that his wife was deaf. I didn't know that.
No, she lost her hearing in scarlet fever.
At 5.
Yeah, so she had
So
some speech.
He taught her, and that's how he met her.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So she was a student of his, which is pretty cool.
Yeah.
So it's really interesting. And then flight stuff. A couple of years ago, we actually went up to the Finger Lakes,
Yeah, to Hammondsport,
Yeah.
New York.
where Glenn Curtis, most folks don't know, actually real early pioneer of aviation. At
But
the same
before that, motorcycles.
motorcycles, right around the same time as the Wright brothers. Most folks have never heard of them. And he was in partnership with Graham Bell and some other folks, Casey Baldwin, and they did some
Yeah.
really neat work. Hydrofoils and
the ailerons on the plane, and they're
So-
designed to make that work.
yeah. So this is a really great stop. Definitely worth it if you're up
Yeah.
in the area, up in
Plus-
Cape Breton.
A absolutely beautiful area in the town that it's in, Baddeck. Where do we go for
Baddeck?
lunch? Baddeck?
Yeah, Baddeck.
Baddeck.
The high wheeler.
Yeah.
I'll put a picture of it just to show you kind of the
Yeah.
sign, what it looked like. Great, great treats and homemade bread and sandwiches.
Yeah, and we didn't have coffee because it was lunchtime, but they're known for their coffees.
Yep.
And their bread was amazing. We haven't
Yeah.
tried the cookies yet.
No.
We got those to go.
Yeah. So that was tasty. So definitely a must stop, I'd say, if you're up in the area and doing a tour of Cape Breton. We didn't record last night. We had dinner. Vic made some Korean beef, which we put the recipe on our blog already for that before, which was tasty. And then
I'm trying to figure out where to fit.
where to sit.
Yeah, because,
Yeah, we'll tell you why she's ready to sit.
well, and it's a little bit of a cluster in the van at the moment.
Yeah. So we did that, hit the rack. We were going to get up early to go do the hike we just did on the Skyline Trail, about an hour and a half from where we're staying. But Mother Nature, right?
Yeah, had other plans, and it was raining this morning.
Sorry, I'm getting eaten by bugs. So
So we had a later start than we thought we were going to, and it's still, I wouldn't say we saw the sun today, but
no.
it's not raining.
Nope.
It's not fogged in, just not the best views and
Yep.
crazy windy.
Yeah. There's definitely, there's a kind of cliff promontory you can go out on, and it goes down about 600 feet. had to take the hats off and everything, so they didn't blow away. We're gonna have a quick bite to eat now, and then I'm not sure if we're gonna do Meat Cove. We may forego it because the views just may not be there.
Yeah.
And it's another hour and a half that way and another hour and a half back to camp.
Yeah, so 3 more hours of driving if we do that.
Yeah, and it's already almost 2 o'clock here, so that'll be
A late day.
yeah. So we're probably gonna have some lunch here, hit the road. Got some real crazy driving. I'll probably have some B-roll of that for everybody to check that out, going up and down the cliffs.
Yeah.
And then have some dinner and
Maybe walk around the campground.
Yep.
Maybe do some laundry.
yeah, you know, road life. That's the plans that we've been doing. As I said, we'll put some footage here, the trails. It was really windy. We'd hoped to record, but
Yeah, I could barely stand up, never mind.
right. So I'm gonna
Record.
I'll put a little B-roll after this, and you can see the trails, what it looked like. Definitely something doable for everybody. It's packed gravel
Or boardwalk.
and boardwalk in section, so stay tuned for that part. I'm gonna put that up right now. Well, we made it back. We didn't get to do everything we wanted to do today.
No, we cut out Meat Cove.
Yep. Weather wasn't cooperative for us.
Yeah. Got a late start. And I think even if we drove out there and sacrificed being tired, we wouldn't have gotten the views.
No, not that we hoped for.
Yeah.
So.
Guess it means we gotta come back again.
Yep. So that was a little bit of a downer, but that's part of the deal. Yes, we still have our mics on, and we're in bed. We were beat. It's a good hike today. Hopefully you enjoyed a little bit of the B-roll we showed of us hiking. Obviously we couldn't have you right there with us because of the wind.
Yeah, was extreme.
Yep. So it was rough, but came back, had a little dinner, got cleaned up.
Feel like we got a little wind burn.
Yeah. You want to mention the campground real quick? Because we never did talk about it.
Yeah, so we're at Broad Cove Campground, which is one of the campgrounds in the national park up here.
Yep.
And one of the things I'm most impressed with is, one, they had laundry facilities, which we didn't even know. So we got to, do laundry, and then their bathroom facilities are nicer than any of the,
Air conditioner inside.
Yeah. So and
Spotless.
Tiled and spotless. So very impressed with how well maintained and taken care of their parks are.
Oh, and the showers are free. So
Yeah, that's another plus.
Yeah.
Don't have to pay.
So that's a wrap on this episode and this part of our journey.
Yeah, next episode we're on to see some of the early maritime history of Nova Scotia.
Yep.
And maybe some genealogy.
Yeah, that's the plan. So hopefully no weather interruptions or anything like that. And as always, if you enjoyed this episode, love to have you on the journey with us. My brain isn't working, a little tired. Have you on the trip with us as we head down to our next part. So hit the subscribe button, give us a like.
I'm good. I'm ready to go to bed.
Yeah, we need to go to bed. So that's it. As we say, keep wandering, even if it's in your dreams.
Bye.
it's time for me